everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and look what I got in the mail today. I got a package from my friends over at BeeBeeCraft. Let's see what's inside. So they always package everything in a bubble mailer, and then they put it in like a bubble sack. And then what we have here, everything. Oh, these are so pretty. Aren't those pretty? Oh, I'm excited to open those. But then everything's wrapped individually. Now, I'll have a coupon code and links to all these goodies down in the description box below, along with a link to BeeBeeCraft's website if you're interested in any of these or anything they have. I highly recommend you go over and check them out. They have really good prices. Every time I've ever gotten anything, it's very quick shipment. Things come pretty quickly. So if you'd like to bead or do crafts, I would go over there and check them out. But right now, looks like we've got some coral colored beads. Don't those look good together? Some turquoise colored beads, gold things. Okay. So the first thing I opened up was the first thing that caught my eye. Aren't these beautiful? They are transparent crackle baking painted glass bead strands. They're about an 8.5 by 7.5 millimeter. The hole is about a 1.5 millimeter. Each strand, there's about 107 to 109 pieces, and you get 20 strands. These are absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to create something with them. This is actually one of my favorite colors. Oh, and by the way, they do come in other colors. Let's see what we have. This is called Misty Rose. They have, oh no, it's called, sorry, it's not Misty Rose. It is Orange Red. They also have a Misty Rose, a slate blue, green, dark red, medium orchid, coral. So it comes in a variety of colors. The next thing we have here, aren't these pretty? I love turquoise, and to be honest with you, these are going to go really nice together. Even though there's a little bit of a purple shine to them, I think they will complement each other really well. This is from Craft. They're electroplated opaque glass bead strands, half purple plated. They are 10 strands, and there's about 72 pieces per strand. So it's a little over 16 inches long. And they have a 1 millimeter hole, and it's an 8 by 6 millimeter, and they are like glass crystals, okay? And they come in a huge assortment of colors. So this next thing I'm going to show you are from Honey Handy. They are a 304 stainless steel pendants, horn of plenty, or an Italian horn. I have been trying to get these horns for quite some time. They keep getting sold out. I mean, is this something that's popular now? I don't know. It seems like everybody I know is going to Italy, and maybe everything Italian is just popular right now. But let's see, how many do I have here? 50 pieces. And they are about a 1.2 by 1.4 millimeter. Sorry, that's the hole. The hole right here. The size is about 18.5 by 4 by 2 millimeters. But you can kind of get an idea of the size by my hands here. These would be great to put on bracelets or a little very minimalist necklace. So the next thing we have here is also from Honey Handy, Tibetan style alloy metal fleur-de-lis pendants. They're lead-free and cadmium-free. This is an antique gold. The size is about 24 by 14 by 3 millimeters, and the hole is about a 2 millimeter hole. And I live in Louisiana. Mardi Gras will be coming up here in a few months after the first year. Not January, but February, March-ish. And I will be doing some stuff with these during that time for sure. There's about 50 in here. And yeah. These are really nice. And the next thing we're going to open up are some silver fleur-de-lis. Now the Mardi Gras colors are gold, green, and purple. So these will go really nicely. But look at these. These are really nice too. These are actually links. Here's the back. So it's just one-sided. This was double-sided. And they're a little bit curved, so they'll go really nicely on your wrist. I would show you, but I'm doing this one-handed. I actually just got back from a trip I was spending with my family who lives in Florida, and I'm not quite all the way unpacked yet. And I got this in the mail, and I wanted to go through it real quick with you because I was excited about it. Anyway, because it's kind of curved, it would fit around your wrist really, really well. But these, like I said, these are honey handy Tibetan style aloe link connectors, fleur-de-lis, lead-free antique silver, 32 by 20 by 4.5 millimeters in size, and the hole's about a 2.5 millimeter. There's 50 pieces in here. And again, I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. I know what I'm going to do with these for another video on my BeeBeeCraft haul. So stay tuned for that. All right, last but not least is what's in here. I have a whole box of these. And how many are they saying is in here? There's 7 different colors. There are super findings, about 98 pieces. And they're smiley face charms. And the size is about 14.5 by 12 by 1.5 millimeters, and the hole is about 1.5 millimeters. Ooh, aren't they pretty? Oh, I love this one. Oh, these make sweet little earrings. So we have the blue and the pink, and some yellow and white. See, they said, was it 7 different colors? Oh, here's a light pink, purple, if there's any green in here, oh, black, oh, I covered up all my faces. All right, here's the colors. We have white, yellow, a dark pink, a light pink, purple, black, and blue. So here's my BeeBeeCraft haul. Stay tuned for videos on what I do with all this stuff. I already have a lot of ideas swimming through my head. Even when I put in this order, I knew exactly what I was going to do with some of this stuff. These I absolutely love. I love that color. Probably work with that first. I don't know. Let me know if there's something you would like me to do with any of these. Give me some ideas. Like I said, I do have ideas already, but if y'all want to see something, maybe I can come up with a specific something else. If that even makes any sense. Well, I need to get going. I need to finish unpacking and get straightened up here so I'll have a place to create. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.